Oh my goodness. Facebook is rolling out all these updates to include avatar posts. So I'm going to show you today, I'm going to pop on my phone and show you how to use this new avatar posting feature and really why Facebook is doing so much with avatars, because it really has to do with the metaverse and how we're going to start interacting with AR and using our avatars more and more online. And Facebook is pushing us to get comfortable with that. So let me show you this new feature. My name is Stephanie Parisi, and I love helping small business owners grow their influence and profits online using marketing strategies that actually work. And I'm also the leader of the Parisi Pack, a private marketing membership for entrepreneurs. Okay, so let's pop into my phone and let me show you how to use your avatar in a post, a brand new posting feature. Okay, so we are going to open up Facebook, and then we are going to click to create a post. And if you scroll all the way down, you're going to see this new option, your avatar, and we're going to click the button. So now at the top, to navigate here, you could edit your avatar if you wanted to change it up, okay? I'm not going to change mine up right now. I've already made her outfit and everything like that, but you could do that here, okay? And then you're going to see all these different avatar poses here, okay? So say I wanted to do something about dogs, I could click it, and then it's going to allow me to type info in here, and I could ask a question or something like that if I wanted to do that. And then all I would have to do is hit the post button. You can also add other features to this. You could tag people, you could feel something, you could check in, that type of thing. So let me show you some other ways you could use this. So we're going to X that out. And again, we're going to click these three dots in the bottom right hand corner, click this up, click your avatar. Here you can click the create button. Okay, now with this, there's different poses and backgrounds. So now we really start to get fun and creative. So you can see right now it's on this. So if I just tap, it's going to put my avatar in here. Okay, say I want to change the color of the background though. I don't really like that orange. All I do is hit this background button. You have a few different options here. You have solid colors. So if you tap these, it's just going to fill these in. So here, the girl on the background of maybe your team just won, you could do something like this, okay? Again, you could pick a different pose, and maybe you're doing something at home and you want to use this, okay? You can also, if we toggle it at the top here to the split screen, you see this button here? If you push this, now you can do two different ones, and again, choose two different poses by clicking and then adding in text. So that's another option of how you could add your avatar to the post, okay? So maybe your team won and you type in the info and there you have it. Then all you're gonna do here is click the post button, and then you're gonna see the avatar lady pop up here in a moment, and there's your avatar in the post. Very cool. So remember, there are a lot of different ways to use your avatars online. Use it this way. No one else is really doing this yet. No one really knows about it. If you want to see some of the other ways I'm using avatars, check out these videos that are popping up on the screen. You can do it in stories. You can use it in your cover photo banner, a lot of different cool ways. And like I said, Facebook is moving in the direction of really getting us used to and comfortable with using our avatars. Head on over to stephanieparisi.com for more marketing tips and tools. If you're in network marketing, I have a quiz to help you out where you can grow your business just in 30 days to a 4-digit income. I also have tools for other small business owners in my Parisi Pack membership when it comes to automation, sales funnels, email marketing, SMS text message marketing, you name it. I want to help you grow your business. While you're on my channel, check out either of these two videos that are popping up on the screen. They're here to help you win. And I'll be back next week with another new video.